Okay, so the point of this video is just to demonstrate a problem that can occur in After Effects due to the multiprocessing that you can select in the preferences. So this is just a rough draft idea I was working on for a project, and I noticed some weird rendering problems happening when I went to output the video. I was just using the normal default animation codec, so it wasn't because of that. I poked around on some forums and figured out that part of the problem was due to the fact that I had render all multiple frames simultaneously checked in the preferences. So I'm first going to just show my original attempt at the render. So here you can see this is not how it's supposed to look. There's many foreground elements that are just entirely missing from the composition. So obviously this is not what I want. Tried unchecking render multiple frames simultaneously, and basically just to describe how this problem can come to be is that when you do multi-threading and multiprocessing, it's like there's 3 rows, as if you had 3 students at a whiteboard and you told them to write a series of numbers on the board as quick as they could, and then said stop. At the end, they might have different numbers on the screen. So that's sort of an analogy of how this problem can resolve. I'm not sure exactly specifics, but with multiprocessing, sometimes due to the peculiarities of the footage, some things can get messed up. So this is after I had unchecked render multiple frames simultaneously, and you can see that obviously this is the full picture, but there is one artifact in there. You can see right at the end there is something, the sort of bottom of the layer that wasn't meant to be seen has become visible. So that's another problem. And to deal with that, I just decided to re-import the footage, and that's sort of an unfortunate reality, but that seems to be the only way of dealing with this problem. So I'm going to just show you the final. This is what it was supposed to look like, and everything is fixed due to re-importing the footage and unchecking render multiple frames simultaneously.